It's an area of rapid advancement. Cancer research is evolving at an incredible speed, which is paving the way for new breakthroughs in both screening tools and AI.
Today, Dr. Isabella Tai, a Canadian Cancer Society-funded researcher, is here to share her insights on the latest advancements in the detection of colon cancer and just how vital donations are in driving progress. Dr. Tai, thanks for joining us this morning.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
It is our pleasure. Dr. Tai, as a gastroenterologist, your research focuses on colon cancer. Can you tell us what kinds of trends you're seeing in this type of cancer?
We generally think of colorectal cancer as a disease of older adults, those over the age of 50. And that is one of the reasons why screening programs target those over the age of 50. However, in recent years, we have been seeing a very alarming trend in that young adults between the ages of 20 and 40 are being diagnosed with colorectal cancer. And this is obviously devastating because it's such a young population. And they're often diagnosed at more advanced stages of disease when treatment options are less effective and the outcomes are poor.
Now, Doctor, we understand that both you and your team have taken on the task of finding new detection tools.
We're very excited about this. It's a very simple blood test that helps us identify individuals who are at risk of colorectal cancer. We call this test the CARE panel, it actually helps predict which individuals are more likely to develop colorectal cancer. And if proven to be effective, it would help physicians identify individuals would actually benefit from screening before they turn 50. And so right now, funding from the Canadian Cancer Society is helping us determine whether this CARE panel is very effective in identifying this younger population at risk of colorectal cancer. And so we're collecting blood samples and analyzing their genetic profiles to determine how best to identify this population.
And Dr. Tai, like a lot of research these days, AI is helping you with this task, right?
AI is such an important component of this project. As you know, the human genome is very, very complex. We all share very similar genes, and yet we are each individuals. And so AI is actually part of this project by helping us identify a common genetic thread that links the similarities in all these young patients who are at risk of developing colorectal cancer.
Now, Doctor, you've received funding from the Canadian Cancer Society. Can you tell us a bit more about what those donations, what they mean to you and your team?
No, we would not be able to conduct this study without the support from the Canadian Cancer Society. Research of this type uses cutting-edge technologies such as AI, genome sequencing, and it takes a group of individuals that are specialized and working as a team. And so, for example, we have researchers who are profiling the blood samples that we collect from our clinical research coordinators, recruit these patients. And then we also have specialists who are refining our AI model that will help better refine the model to help identify these individuals. And more importantly, the funds are also helping to train the next generation of young scientists. So we have within our group graduate students, undergraduate students, postdoctoral fellows, medical students, medical residents, who are all very passionate in wanting to find a way of identifying new ways and strategies to help cancer patients.
The Canadian Cancer Society's holiday campaign is "Every Moment is a Gift." Dr. Tai, what does that mean to you?
So every moment is indeed a gift. If we can prevent cancer by using this AI-based technology, then those young individuals who are at risk of developing colon cancer will have many more of those moments in life to share and enjoy with their families and their loved ones.
Well, your donation can make a difference, just like Doctor, you and your team are making a difference on a daily basis. Thank you for the work that you do, and thank you for joining us here this morning on The Morning Show.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me again.
This portion of the morning show is brought to you by the Canadian Cancer Society. Donate at cancer.ca/holiday.